Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using some of these strips of fabric. I just cut about 1-inch slits in the fabric and then pulled it apart to tear for the strips. And then I also am pulling off the strings from the sides where I had torn the pieces and saving those for at the end of the project. And then I'm taking this 6x7 hanging sign I got from Dollar General, and I paint one side of it as well as the edges with English Navy acrylic paint. And then I'm taking this star fabric, and most of the fabrics I'm using today I did get from Amazon. I cut a piece of fabric a little bit larger than the sign, add Mod Podge to the unfinished side of the hanger. Once I had that completely covered, I placed down the fabric and smoothed it out and dried it with my heat tool. Once that layer of Mod Podge was completely dry, I did a layer of the Mod Podge on top of the fabric, dried that completely, and cut away the excess fabric and sanded it down. I needed to remake the holes for the hanger, so I just poked through the fabric with my Fisker shears, and then flipped that sign over, making sure the hangers were on the top. I take different strips of fabric as well as some lace ribbon, and I'm hot gluing them to the bottom portion of the back side of the sign, kind of overlapping them a little bit. And the fabrics I chose were all red and white. I used more of an off-white color for most of it. Once I overlap the first layer, I then go over those pieces, overlapping again with the rest. The strips I cut, I did not really measure, but they are about 19 to 20 inches. They vary in lengths. Next, I'm taking those strings that I had removed from the sides of the fabric strips, and I'm just lying them down. I used about 20 pieces. Once I have them all lined up, I tried to make sure one end of them was just about even. And then I kind of just smoothed them out and took that piece and wrapped it around my fingers, wrapped it around a couple times, and then pulled it off my hand. And then I'm taking another one of those strings, wrapping it around that loop I had made, tying it in a knot, and then cutting off the excess strings. And I did make 2 of those. I set those aside for now, and then I need to put back in a hanger. I add some tacky glue onto some twine and kind of twisted it so it was smaller and stayed in place. Pushed it from the back to the front, made a knot, cut off the excess twine, and then added tacky glue to that knot so it wouldn't come apart. I then did the same thing on the other side. Then I'm just adding on the pieces of string that I'm making into a flower. I hot glue one of them down, and hot glue the other one on top of that one, going in the opposite direction. And then I hot glued a navy blue button to the center. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.